For you, it's a job. For me, it's a dream. For you, it's a salary. For me, it's an identity. For you, it's a trophy wife. For me, it's my silent victory after years of disrespect and tolerance. For you, it's raising a family with money. For me, it's just dying to fit in. But after all arguments were over, I have seen my dream crumbling before me, crumbling into thousands and thousands of pieces. I have witnessed people enjoying my retreat. Dearest people, enjoying my retreat. I have seen people faking concern. I have seen people pushing me to the abyss and watch me fall. And after all this, I have seen myself crying. I have seen myself crushing my aspirations just to fit in. Yes, to fit in. Love? I have seen love break like glass. I have seen trust fall apart. I have seen how wild the jaws of interest can get. I have heard false promises and hoaxes are many. But still I have tried to retain integrity as a woman. I wonder what a woman is made of. You know, I know sacrifice of joy never pays. But still, I have sacrificed my most cherished dreams. My most cherished dreams. I have stabbed myself. I have throttled my most aspired self. One after the other. One after the other. Why? To fit in. You know, to fit in. As I fear blame. I fear to be blamed. I have chosen my unhappiness. Yes, unhappiness. As being happy rejects a woman as selfish. A woman has no right to be happy. I have pretended to be a good daughter-in-law, and a good wife, as assertion of independent womanhood is still a crime. So I decided to fit in. How painful it was to fit in. I know after all the dark nights of tearful confessions to my pillow, I still will be criticized for this and for that. And then all alone I will stand on a 4-second station on a cold, dark night. You know, a very cold, dark night. Hearing the whistle of the rushing train, seeing my dreams crumble into pieces, seeing myself shatter into bits, seeing myself fit into the pathetic realm of patriarchy by the aggressive wills of the last train of night, leaving me behind, leaving me far behind. I know that now I am dead. My grave is all dug. And nobody knows it better than me. Everyone will show concern, ask questions, this and that. But the debt is all my own to bear. But to my dear girls, I I urge with a hug. Don't fit in. Never fit in. Because once you have the practice of fitting in, you know you are allowing a pseudo-feminist, and you know it is very difficult to fit in for someone who had never fit in.